a simple vegetable. But behind every crisp head is a long, detailed journey. Across Asia and Europe, farmers cultivate cabbage with strategy, tradition, and modern tools. In cool valleys of northern Vietnam, in the fertile plains of Poland, on the hills of Turkey, in the Netherlands' greenhouses, each harvest begins with careful planning. This is how cabbage becomes a profitable crop, from seed to market. Welcome to Next Harvest Network. Before any seed touches soil, the land must be prepared. Cabbage prefers well-drained, loamy soil that retains moisture but doesn't suffocate roots. Farmers test the pH, aiming for 6.0 to 6.8. Too acidic? Lime is applied months in advance. Plowing comes next. In India's Himachal Pradesh, oxen still turn the earth on steep hills. In France, tractors dig deep furrows, breaking up clumps. Rotary tillers level the ground and mix in compost or aged manure. This organic matter improves soil structure. It feeds microbes, and it holds moisture during dry spells. In Asia, rice husk ash and farmyard manure are also common soil amendments. Now the soil rests. 2 to 3 weeks pass before anything is planted. This helps stabilize nutrients and reduce pathogens. Meanwhile, seedlings are started in nurseries. Farmers use plug trays, seedling beds, or greenhouse setups. High-quality hybrid seeds are selected, varieties resistant to bolting, pests, and diseases. In Germany, growers choose Caitlin, Kylotin, and Caraflex. The seeds are sown into light, well-aerated media. Cocoa peat, vermicompost, and perlite mixtures offer excellent drainage. Light watering and shade netting encourage uniform germination. After 3 to 4 weeks, seedlings develop 4 true leaves. They're now strong enough for transplanting, but not before hardening off. This means gradually exposing the seedlings to outdoor sun and wind over several days. As seedlings mature, the main field is marked for transplanting. Spacing depends on the cabbage type. For tight-headed varieties, 60 to 60 centimeters. For open, leafy types like Chinese cabbage, 45 to 30 centimeters. Too close and the heads stay small. Too far and you waste space. Planting holes are prepared. Some use DAP or organic compost, others inoculate with trichoderma to suppress soil pathogens. Transplanting happens late in the day or early morning. This reduces stress and wilting. A gentle but deep watering follows, and for a week the young plants are monitored closely. Some farmers even use temporary shade nets to protect new transplants. Then comes irrigation. Cabbage has shallow roots. It needs frequent but light watering. In Asia, furrow irrigation is common in flatlands. In greenhouses across Spain and Italy, drip irrigation systems deliver exact volumes. Mulch helps retain moisture. Rice straw, plastic mulch, or even old cabbage leaves are used to cover the soil. Next is fertilization. Cabbage needs nitrogen early for leaf growth. Urea or compost tea is applied 15 to 20 days after transplanting. Later, phosphorus and potassium are added to boost head formation and weight. Foliar sprays, seaweed extract, or micronutrients are also used to prevent deficiency. Pest control is essential. In Asia, diamondback moth and cabbage looper are constant threats. In Europe, flea beetles and root maggots cause damage. Farmers rotate crops to reduce pest buildup. Some interplant with marigolds or onions to repel insects. Neem oil, Bacillus thuringiensis, or selective insecticides are used carefully. Scouting is done twice a week. Diseases like black rot, downy mildew, and clubroot can destroy entire fields. In Poland, farmers steam soil before planting. In Japan, soil solarization is practiced during summer. Good airflow between plants reduces fungal growth. Weeding is constant. For the first 40 days, weed pressure is high. Manual weeding, hoeing, or selective herbicides help. Plastic mulch can prevent most weeds and reduce labor costs. As cabbage matures, heads begin to form. This is the most sensitive period. Too much water? Heads split. Too little? They stay small. Farmers adjust watering carefully, often skipping irrigation in the final 2 weeks. In cold regions like Austria, frost risk is monitored closely. Harvest time varies. In tropical Asia, 70 to 75 days after transplanting. In temperate Europe, 80 to 90 days. Harvesting is done early in the morning. Sharp knives cut at the stem, leaving outer leaves for protection. Heads are sorted immediately. Overmature heads are lighter and may crack. Undersized ones are kept for local markets or livestock. Standard cabbage heads weigh between 1.2 and 2.5 kilograms. Chinese cabbage heads are lighter, but more fragile. After harvest, grading follows. Farmers sort by size, color, and compactness. Clean heads are packed into crates or mesh sacks. In larger operations, mechanical graders and hydraulic lifts handle post-harvest. Storage depends on the variety. In India, cabbage is stored in ventilated rooms for up to a week. In the Netherlands, cold storage extends shelf life for over 45 days. Optimal storage temperature, high humidity, over 90%, is crucial to prevent wilting. Then transportation. In Romania, trucks move cabbage from farms to markets overnight. In Thailand, cabbage rides in open pickups at dawn. In Japan, tightly packed crates head to supermarkets and wholesale markets. Markets vary. In India, cabbage fetches better prices in February. In Germany, it peaks around October-November. Fresh market, processing industry, sauerkraut manufacturers all need consistent supply. On average, farmers in Asia harvest 15 to 25 tons per acre. In Europe, yields can reach 30 to 40 tons with drip irrigation and hybrid seeds. Prices vary, from €10K to over €80 depending on market and season. Smart farmers time their planting for high-price months. Others plant in staggered phases to ensure continuous harvest. Some integrate processing, like shredding or packaging for value addition. Greenhouse cabbage is gaining ground too. In northern China and Israel, it allows off-season production. In Italy, hydroponic systems now grow leafy cabbage in vertical farms. Technology helps. Soil moisture sensors, drone mapping, weather alerts, all help protect and optimize cabbage farming. But even small-scale farmers succeed. With planning, with consistency, with care. Cabbage is more than a vegetable. It's a living asset. From humble seeds, it delivers food security, income, and opportunity. Across Europe and Asia, cabbage remains one of the most profitable cool-season crops. And it all begins with a single seed and a farmer's dedication. Thank you for watching this full cabbage farming journey. Subscribe to Next Harvest Network for more real-world farming stories. Leave a comment. Where are you farming cabbage? Let's grow knowledge. Let's grow income. Together. Next Harvest Network. Farming meets the future.